In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dhgate account. We'll go through the full sign-up process from start to finish in a simple and easy way, so you can get your account set up quickly and correctly. If you're new to Dhgate, this is the basic registration process you'll need to follow before you can start browsing more efficiently, saving items, or preparing to buy through the platform. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is launched, go directly to dhgate.com. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct website before entering any account information, especially when creating a new profile online. After the homepage loads, look toward the top right side of the screen. You should see a link labeled Join Free. Click that option to begin the account creation process. This will take you to the registration page, where you'll be able to enter your information and choose the type of account you want to create. Next, type in a valid email address. Make sure it's an email account you can access, because platforms like this often use email for account verification, order updates, and important security notices. After that, create a secure password. A strong password should be something unique and difficult for others to guess. In general, it helps to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if the platform allows it. Also, avoid reusing a password that you already use on other websites. Once your email and password are entered, choose your intended primary use type. You'll typically see two options here: personal or dropshipping, and wholesale. Select personal if you're creating the account for regular shopping or individual use. Choose dropshipping and wholesale if your main goal is business-related purchasing or resale activity. Picking the most accurate option can help tailor your experience on the platform. After reviewing the information you entered, click Create My Account to finalize the registration. That completes the sign-up process and creates your Dhgate account. At this point, your account should be ready, although depending on the platform, you may later be asked to confirm your email or complete additional profile details. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting everything up. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the steps to create a Dhgate account using Chrome.